Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about some summer flowering plants that you can grow in your garden. After the colorful flush of winter-spring flowers, our garden starts to fade when the temperature gets too high. These flowers will keep your garden bright during the hot weathers and keep you happy. You can start planting this at the end of winter and in springtime. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more videos. The first plant in my list is sunflower. Sunflowers are the signature summer plants. They have big, bright, beautiful flowers. They are heat tolerant and they are very easy to grow. You can grow the large variety or you can grow the mini sunflowers. These bloom a lot and they will keep blooming till the rainy season. They are extremely carefree plants and you can easily grow them from seeds or buy saplings from the nursery. There are many hybrid varieties available now to choose from, so definitely grow this in your summer garden. The next plant in my list is Tithonia or Mexican sunflower. These are one of my favorites, and just like sunflowers, they are extremely easy to grow and they can tolerate some heat, so they are perfect for growing during the summertime. You can grow them in containers too. Choose a big container for them because they can get quite tall. With proper care, they can keep flowering till September and October. So grow them. You can check out my Tithonia video. The link will be in the description. Number 3 in my list is Gaillardia, also known as blanket flowers. This is also a very good plant for the summers, and these are short-lived perennials, meaning they can live more than 1 year and they will flower pretty much all year long. They don't need too much care, so you can grow them very easily. They are short and bushy, so they are perfect for growing in containers. These plants will flower very well even during the rainy season. So definitely add this in your garden for long-lasting flowers. You can check out my Gaillardia video, the link is in the description. The fourth plant in my list is Zinnia. Now zinnias are very popular and very beautiful flowers. The best thing about the plant is that the flowers are very long-lasting. They can last more than a month and you can find them in various colors. You can actually grow them all year long. They even grow very well during the rainy season. They are sun-loving flowers. They will grow best in a rich, well-draining soil. I grow them from seed all year long. They even grow very well in small containers. So definitely grow them in your garden. The next plant is Coreopsis. This is probably one of the easiest plants you can grow in your garden. They are sun-loving, hardy and extremely easy to grow plants. You can grow them in containers very easily too. They can even grow in poor soil. They flower a lot and they look very good in the garden when they bloom in bunch. They grow very well from seeds, so you can buy seeds. You can also get many hybrid varieties, so definitely add this to your list. Number 6 in my list is Rudbeckia. They're from the sunflower family. These plants have bright, beautiful daisy-like flowers. They are not difficult to grow at all and they grow very well in containers too. The plants are long-lasting and they can live more than 1 year. They are quite heat-tolerant and sun-loving plants. You will find many varieties of this plant. You will definitely enjoy growing this in your garden. Number 7 is Amaryllis lily. This is a bulb plant. You will find this in many colors. If you get them once, they can live forever. They mainly flower once during the spring-summer time, but they look really awesome when they flower. You should definitely grow this in your garden because they are extremely low-maintenance plants and they are sun-loving. They will flower every year even if you neglect them. And from one bulb, you can get many of them. So don't forget to plant this in your garden. The next plant is Gomphrena. This is a warm season annual plant. This has very unique flowers. They look like little balls and these are very common in our region. They are like wild plants and people almost neglect them. But they are very beautiful and you can grow them very easily in your garden. They grow very well both in the ground and in containers. You just have to give them bright sunlight and well-draining soil and they will grow very easily. The easiest way to grow them is from seeds. So definitely add them to your summer plant list. Next in my list is moss rose or Portulaca. This is also a very common and easy to grow plant. They are very drought tolerant plants and they are great for growing in containers and in hanging baskets. You can grow them from seed or cuttings very easily. They come in many colors, and now there are many hybrid varieties available. A sunny location and well-draining soil is perfect for growing these plants. You will definitely enjoy growing them. The next plant is very common and we almost consider this as a wild plant. Nayanthara, also known as Vinca. These are very hardy and easy to grow plant. They come in many colors now. You can also find lots of hybrid varieties in the nurseries with unique colors. You can grow them as annual or perennial. They need very minimum care and they will flower a lot during the hot months, so definitely grow them in your garden. So these were all the plants you can grow during the summertime. These plants will tolerate some heat and give you lovely colors in the garden. If you have any suggestions, you can write it down in a comment section. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye!